Hello and welcome back. In this video, you will learn about logic gate ICs. Let's get started then. Logic gates are used in microprocessors, microcontrollers, embedded system applications, and in electronic and electrical project circuits. As you have seen in the video on logic gates, these gates are created using transistors. If more number of logic gates are required in any circuit, the circuit will be very complicated to build. The circuit can be simplified using logic gate ICs. Logic gate ICs are integrated circuit chips that can have 2 to 6 same logic gates on a single IC. These can be used in circuits to perform simple or complex logical operations. Now, you will see how to use these ICs in TinkerCAD. Open TinkerCAD in your browser. Search for logic gate, and bring IC74H08 over to the canvas. This is a quad AND gate IC. That is, it is having 4 AND gates in this single IC. Now, bring IC74HC32 over to the canvas. This is a quad OR gate IC. That is, it is having 4 OR gates in this single IC. Next, take a breadboard. Copy and paste it 2 times. Next, take a resistor, change its value to 250 ohms. Copy and paste it 3 times. Next, take a LED. Copy and paste it 3 times. Next, take a slide switch. Copy and paste it 7 times. Next, search for power supply and bring it over to the canvas. This is the pinout diagram of quad AND gate IC 74H08. Now, make connections for the circuit as shown. Next, start simulation. Slide the input switches, and check the output. You can see, the circuit is working. This is how quad AND gate IC 74H08 can be used. Now, stop simulation. Replace IC 74H08 with IC 74HC32 in the same orientation, as it is having same pinout. Next, start simulation. Slide the input switches, and check the output. You can see, the circuit is working. This is how quad OR gate IC 74HC32 can be used. That's it in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.